friends, this is Adnan. So today I thought to make one vlog for this weekend. Actually today is Friday, so this is our weekend. So today we will go to a sea. Right now I'm going to pick my friend Mr. Liu. Mr. Liu and me, we will go together for this sea. Yeah, we will do fishing and we will catch some crocs. Ni hao, Mr. Liu.
Close one.
Oh, AC. You don't need AC? Let's move. The weather is very nice. So, hello guys. As I said, Mr. Liu, he's here. He's the one who teaches me Chinese every weekend. Yeah, actually two guys. One guy, he's from site, my best friend, Kabi, and the second one is Mr. Liu. Yeah, so he's my teacher. And he's Mr. Your name, please?
Mr. Li.
Mr. Lee. Yeah. So Mr. Lee is very professional when it comes to fishing. So today we will see Mr. Lee fishing skills. So what is today's plan? 今天我们有什么打算？
你可以抓螃蟹，Mr. Li 钓鱼，咱俩抓螃蟹。
好的。So he said Mr. Lee, he will catch fishes and we will catch crabs, right? Okay. So
今天可以哈，授之以鱼不如授之以渔啊。
I didn't understand what it means.
今天可以给你鱼，不用教你钓鱼，因为我们抓螃蟹嘛。
Okay.
等下一次。
Yeah, last time you told one story for this old guy. He didn't tell him how to catch fishes, but he told him how. He just gave him some fishes, right? So today is something like that. You will not teach me how to catch fishes, but you will give me fish, right?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay.
你告诉他，给他去一个新地方。
怎么个新地方？
那关城那走公民车嘛。
这个地方。
Today weather is very nice. This is actually Dukam refinery. So this is located near to the sea. So right now we just reached over here and we will start fishing. Already he made one system, you know. He just kept over here. Yeah. Oh, he's very clever. So guys, finally we reached to our destination. Yeah, now Mr. Lee and Mr. Liu, they are preparing this gear for fishing. First of all, we will catch some crabs because we need baits for this fishing. Actually, we didn't bring anything. So first of all, let's catch some crabs. Here we got a lot of crabs. I guess the middle one, that is the leader. Feel like that is a leader. Oh, he got one. Yeah. Oh, big one. Can I see? 我想要看看。Oh. Okay. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Oh, we got two. Ni mei hai pa? Ni mei hai pa? I just said him, you don't get frightened from these crabs. He said, no, I'm used to it. So finally guys, after 2 hours, now we have started the fishing. Actually, first of all, we have to come almost 10 kilometers After that we have to catch some crabs for this fishing baits. Yeah, so now we have started fishing. So let's see how they are fishing. Oh, 很好啊！大概就是3个公斤啊，对呀、一个狗啊。Hello friends, these are my friends Mr. Liu and Mr. Li. Yeah. So, 也视频呢也挺好，但是一定要小心，非常非常小心。以后你那个要沉啊，你走路的时候一定要小心啊，对啊，要把你的手机揣好，什么也别干，就想办法慢慢的回去啊，安全第一啊。